Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to be giving you an overview of these outdoor and indoor lights. And so the first thing to note is that they have the option of going in the ground like via a stake like this, or they come with a hanging option. This just happens to be a pack of 4, but I'm just going to show these two in this example. On the top of these, they do have an optional solar power option here. So when using outdoor, if you kind of want to just set it and forget it and just kind of leave it out there and let it do its thing, you have that option. On the bottom here, there's an optional base that can be removed that looks like either like this or like this. There is a waterproof toggle that can either be off completely or in the solar option or in the battery option. This holds 2 AA batteries on the inside if you want to go with the battery option, and then it looks like this. These are LED fixtures, so from a longevity standpoint, quite a long life because they don't use that much electricity, and they're actually kind of bright for sure. On the bottom here, there is a reflective mirror, so it's going to give off a good bit of light. I'll be showing that here as far as a nighttime shot. The conversion to go from a hanging style like this is pretty simple. There's these little holes here. You can barely see it. There's a hole here, and this kind of clip goes there, and then you have like an alligator type. It's actually pretty heavy gauge alligator clip. So if you wanted to clip it on something, or you can use the ring here. It's almost like a keychain style ring that if you wanted to hang it on something like that. Definitely going to be using these during the Halloween season. But they also look fantastic at night from a landscaping kind of decor. But from an inside standpoint, if you want to have something from a decorating standpoint, having that indoor option from the battery is really kind of cool as well. The construction is made out of I'd say it's pretty hard, durable plastic. So from a length standpoint, from here down to here, it's about 10.5, almost 11 inches. So depending on how deep in the ground you want to put these. Gives off a good bit of light around it. Probably, that's a solid 3 feet, at least 3 feet. And it's not even super dark yet, so, but this is the first time I had them out at night, so this is nice. I was not expecting this, so that's an honest reaction there, having these out. Kind of have them flanked here. And these are different, but notice these are some different fixtures just from a comparison standpoint. So these are single filament, and you can see the difference in the brightness. So these are roughly 4 feet apart and just significantly more bright with these. And it's because there's multiple filaments, LED filaments in there versus these other ones. Other ones are nice, but these are more of a decorative thing. These are more functional, and which is just obvious from the amount of light they give off, which is why they're kind of there. So now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview? Tell us what you think about our solar or battery powered indoor and outdoor. I can say these are accent lights, but definitely functional for sure. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.